Hello friends, a very warm welcome to everyone. Today's current topic is cash junky reviews in the United States. But before moving further, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Do hit the bell icon for many more informative updated videos. So cashjunky.co is the web's most popular rewards program that gives you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. Earn points when you shop at your favorite retailers, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys and find great deals. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. Cash Junkie has already paid out over, say what, 400 and I don't know the number in cash and free gift cards. You can put cash back in your wallet and you can join for free today. So it's headquartered in El Segundo, California. Cash Junkie is a subsidiary brand of Cash Junkie Pty, a leading internet and media company that operates multiple customer engagement brands. So here is the information of Cash Junkie. Let's check. You can connect with them, and they send out 7,000 plus payments every day. There are affiliates saying, and they have their, see the number. Can you tell me what is this number? There are member payments proofs also. Affiliates earning real cash, completing simple offers and surveys from their phone. As I told you, you can sign up for free, and somehow this seems interesting. Well, I guess this video provides an overview of the Cash Junkie steps, and you can take advantage of this extra earning opportunity. So thank you for watching our YouTube channel. We give the latest updates, reviews and news on every trending topic. So we really hope you find this channel useful. Get started with like, share and subscribe our channel for more informative updates. Until then, take care, be informed, be safe. Thank you.